The Disciplined Agile Toolkit provides accessible guidance. One thing that we have learned over time is that some people, while they understand the concepts of disciplined agile by either reading the books or attending a workshop, struggle with how to actually apply disciplined agile. Disciplined agile is an extremely rich body of knowledge that is presented in an accessible manner. The good news is that the content of this course is organized by the goals, and that by using the goal-driven approach, it is easy to find the guidance that you need for the situation at hand. Here's how you can apply this course in your daily work to be more effective in achieving your desired outcomes. Contextualized process reference. This course presents you with process choices and, more importantly, puts those choices into context. Disciplined Agile provides 3 levels of scaffolding to do this. Life cycles. At the highest level of way of working guidance are life cycles, the closest that disciplined agile delivery gets to methodology. Disciplined agile delivery supports 6 different life cycles, as you can see on the screen now, to provide teams with the flexibility of choosing an approach that makes the most sense for them. We will explore the life cycles, and how to choose between them, in greater detail. We also describe how teams can still be governed consistently even though they're working in different ways. Process goals. The figure on the screen presents the goal diagram for the Improve Quality process goal, which is described in detail Improve Quality lesson, and this figure overviews the notation of goal diagrams. Disciplined Agile delivery is described as a collection of 21 process goals, or process outcomes, if you like. Each goal is described as a collection of decision points, issues that your team needs to determine whether they need to address, and if so, how they will do so. Potential practices and strategies for addressing a decision point, which can be combined in many cases, are presented as lists. Goal diagrams are similar conceptually to mind maps, albeit with the extension of the arrow to represent relative effectiveness of options in some cases. Goal diagrams are, in effect, straightforward guides to help a team to choose the best strategies that they are capable of doing right now given their skills, culture, and situation. We will talk about the goal-driven approach in greater detail. Practices and strategies. At the most granular level of way of working guidance are practices and strategies, depicted on goal diagrams in the lists on the right-hand side. Chapters of this course explore each process goal in detail, 1 per chapter. Each of these chapters overviews the process goal and key concepts behind the goal, describes each decision point for the goal, and then overviews each practice and strategy and the trade-offs associated with them in an agnostic manner. An important implication of goal diagrams, such as that figure, is that you need less process expertise to identify potential practices and strategies to try out. What you do need is an understanding of the fundamentals of disciplined agile delivery, the focus of Section 1 of this course, and familiarity with the goal diagrams so that you can quickly locate potential options. You do not need to memorize all of your available options because you can look them up, and you don't need to have deep knowledge of each option because they're overviewed and put into context in the individual goal chapters. Rather, you can use this course to refer to disciplined agile when you need guidance to solve particular challenges that you face.